What's up, guys? How you guys doing? It's Young, and I'm back once again, guys, with another video. So today, I'm actually at the train station. But I'm going to be doing the Sapper Cool Challenge. I never tasted this, so it's kind of really mukbang. I don't know what it will be.
So he just called back.
It'll be something like that. So let's get tasting. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I have an addiction of using my teeth.
He's still in the same apartment. He's just downstairs because he's in a wheelchair now.
Like, you know, Chris and Queen? Yeah, I'm actually going to start posting videos with Chris and Queen.
Oh, Net. But
It's so hard. Oh, it says to shake well.
And I'm going to call you right
back.
back.
I have to shake it well.
Okay.
Really, really good, so I can get it so thick. Mom, can you open this, please? Thank you, Mom.
Oh, baby.
So I'm going to be drinking this. Wait, I have to fix it.
Oh, honey.
Fix the camera. And
Do you love me? Huh?
Guys, and this is not, you guys might be thinking this is my phone. No, I have a freaking camera.
I need you to love me right now
subscribe
because
to
I
my
need your
channel.
help.
So,
Okay, so I'm going to tell you what happened. I got home, and I got Yanni ready, and I got ready to request the lift, right? Now, I had like $11 or $10
I just spit it out.
So I could request the lift, right? So I requested it, he canceled on me. They took the money. I haven't got the refund back is like $10.
I don't like it.
But
I'm throwing it out.
that means I don't have, and I can't transfer any money from my savings account back into my checking account. So that's where my money is.
Don't you wanna be
because I maxed out on my transfers for the month. So I don't have no way home tomorrow.
Disgusting.
So
guys,
I need you to help me get home, and then when I get home, I can give you the money back.
if I was in the restroom, if there's a restroom over here, I would go in the restroom and let you guys see my camera. It's black, of course. I should be racist. So people will be like, oh, she said it is black. Like, you can grow up childish. So, look, I'm on food today. I'm going to go get my hair done. Look at the hot mess. Look at this. But yeah, so I can't wait to get my hair done and stuff. I would do like I would like show you guys when I'm done my hair, but like it's gonna take forever. Like I swear, I'm not gonna be done till like 2 hours and stuff. And my train ride is so long, and I want to vlog so bad, but this train won't come to forbid. Y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. So my mom, she got the lift, right? And it canceled. It took her money. So I had to go to my friend's mom and tell her and ask her, can she take us to the train station? Alright? So then we're at the freaking train station. She dropped us off. The train's supposed to be here at 11:04. And what? They changed it to 11:30. Oh, sorry. I see this homeless dude. Look. I feel bad for him. He picked stuff off the floor. But yes, if you come over, I'll give him some food. But yeah, like that's what happened. And now we have to freaking wait 30 minutes. Oh, and then this girl named CC in my apartment, and I bopped her upside her head because she called me a crackhead. She like 17. I was bop, bop, bop. And then this boy named Gustavo, like he's my friend, but like he was like, I can't explain it how he is, but yeah. And then I'm finna go see my brother. I think my mom told me that I'm finna see my brother. I'm finna go to my grandma's, and I'm finna eat some good food.
She can pick me up today,
I'm
but I still have to Uber.
But I really don't want to end off this vlog.
I don't know.
What time is it?
I don't know about all that.
I can't see what time it is. But the train won't be here till a while. So this is going to be a one vlog, and I'm going to train one vlog on the train.
Because
look
got
at
from
this.
her daddy car, and his tags are not up to date. And her coming out here to get her pulled over again.
I'm gonna be crying so bad because I'm gonna see. Oh, I'm gonna be crying now. Like I almost tears on the table. But I can't wait. I can't wait to go where I'm going, and it'll be a surprise to y'all where I'm going, and I'm finna vlog this surprise. I'm gonna vlog this surprise, and you gonna see my brother, you gonna see my grandma, you gonna see my family, and y'all gonna be good. And if y'all really want to see that, and if y'all want me to have a legacy and do concerts and stuff, because I've got that music video up, but I only have 1 subscriber, what is that gonna do? I need a legacy up here. I need that legacy, y'all. Please, 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 please subscribe, because if y'all get me to 100 subscribers, if y'all get me to 100 subscribers, I swear on everything, y'all will get an iPhone. Y'all will get an iPhone because I have an iPhone, but I don't have it with me right now. My mom has it because she's using it. But I swear on everything, if I can at least get to 100 subscribers or more, y'all, we can be up in legacy. Nobody, come on, please subscribe and like, because we can be up in legacy. We can be up in that legacy, boy. You guys probably thinking, oh no, she gonna be lame. Well, if I get older and I'm a YouTuber, y'all don't know. I'll do the craziest challenges ever. Y'all think, oh no, she not, because she a little kid. No, that's not what's finna happen. I'm gonna have my brother, my family, everybody in this thing. And y'all wanna see it? If y'all wanna see it, oh yeah, sorry, there's that bad lighting over here. Now I need to go over here. My camera, I need to get a new one. But like, but like, if y'all need me to do a legacy, and if y'all need me to do any challenges and stuff, then yes, I swear I got you guys. Bring a fire over here. Got my shirt on. I got double jacket, and then I got go down to my pants. I didn't really want to wear no Jordans or nothing today because I feel like I'm just kicking it free, you know. But guys, in the next video, you guys will see me on the train to my ride, and you guys will see where my destination is, and I'll tell you where my destination is. The only thing that I'll tell you is that it's 55 minutes away from Fresno. If y'all want to see me,
Yanni, what are you talking about?
Something on YouTube channel. If y'all want to see me, make sure y'all come up to me. Don't be shy.